All right, so we got 6 because it's hex, and what class of compounds?
Ketone.
It's a ketone. How'd you know?
Because it says the
One, right? O-N-E. And Sean, what does that mean? What functional group? No, it's a ketone. 5's a ketone. So I'm asking, what do I draw? Like what do I put in this that ketones have? Double bond O. Very good. Kara, where's it go? 3rd carbon. Right here. We can go up or down. I tend to just put it up. And this is the structure for 3-hexanone. Saturated or unsaturated?
unsaturated.
Unsaturated. Double bond. Very good. Is it a hydrocarbon?
No.
No. Why?
It has oxygen.
Has an oxygen. Good. These are all the things that the regents will try and get you on. Don't let them get you. Don't let them win. All right. Number, which one did I tell you? 13. Oh, yeah. This one's fun. First thing you need to do is identify what functional group this thing has. And Amanda's going to tell us.
Oh, yay.
Like the name.
No, just what functional group.
Ketone.
Try again. Sorry.
Is it ether?
It's an ether. Here's why. So what Amanda said is, that's the good mistake. I see why you're doing that. Here's why. It's not a ketone, why it is an ether. If we draw the bonds, remember, the regents probably won't give this to you, but it might. I've seen it. So that's why I kind of give you the harder version. The easier version would be this. That's probably what the regents would give. So they would give you this structure and ask you to name it. Or give you this structure and say, you know, what class of compounds does it belong to? You know, alcohol, aldehyde, ether, ketone, whatever. It would give you 4 choices. So that's a lot easier than this, I realize it. But again, throughout the year, I try and give you hard problems on purpose. So hopefully you get to the regents and it's easier and you're ready to go. So anyways, now you probably see it. This is ether. Ketone would have the C double bond O, and again, this looks very similar to one we did the other day, so I realize that's why you said that, but it's an ether. Okay, so now we know it's an ether, so the end of the name ends in ether. Table R tells us that. So now the example on table R is methyl, ethyl, ether. Well, methyl means 1 carbon. I don't see 1 carbon anywhere. Ethyl means 2. I see 2 here. So this here, this part, is called ethyl. This thing is the ether. What do you think the 3 carbons is called? So if 1 is methyl, 2 is ethyl, 3 is
Ether. No.
propyl. Propyl.
I didn't want to write
This is propyl. Propyl. Now, again, I'm making this harder. I don't think they're going to throw propyl on there because it's pretty uncommon and they stick to methyls and ethyls. That's pretty much it. But that's what it is. So the name of this thing is ethyl propyl ether. Ethyl propyl ether. Okay. All right. So now what I want to do, go back to the front. Sean and Salam, you're going to work together. Kara and Emma. Vanessa and Amanda. Natalia and Reagan. And Bella and Nicole. So find somewhere here, put your desk together. I want you to do 1 through 6 on the front. You already did number 5, but go ahead, do 1, 3, 2, 4, and 6 together. Use your reference table. I'll give you some time and then we'll go over it. Okay? I think this is the best way to learn this stuff, is practice. Homework due Monday.
Okay, we're not. Are we just doing this?
Yep.
What are we doing?
Yeah, I was. The bonding review. I also need to collect that.
I want the packet too.
I do not want the packet, just the separate answers. So bring that up at some point here while you're working.
So this is what
So I just heard Reagan say, so this is a halide. That's what I would do. First thing I would do is figure out what functional group you're dealing with, then go from there.
Yeah, but the thing is, I don't know where to go from there.
Now, once you have the functional group, go to table R and look at the example they give you and use that to help figure out what you're working on.
And does that mean two branched off? Like, so it goes
I don't,
one,
this, I tried
two.
it, but I don't know if it's right.